So today we've been working on cutting up some black walnut trees on a local customer's place. So right here we got all the limb wood, and then we've been hauling the logs home right away. We got some logs out here. Some of them aren't that great, but some are some pretty decent logs. So we got a couple smaller 8-footers here. Like I said, we hauled a bunch of these home already, so this is the last load for the day. Right here is a not so bad 10-footer. There's a little crotch here, so either it's a really semi-good 10 or a really good 8. So that one's about 21 inches. And then my brother, he's pushing up brush right now. We cut a bunch of trees in the yard, so we had to haul the brush out back. So right in front of me here, he's pushing up the last of the brush for the day. I think it was 7 dump trailer loads. So, and then we'll have a wrap for the day. We have one more tree left for today. We got to cut this one down right behind me here. It's probably got 2 good saw logs and then a small saw log with knots on it. Not the biggest tree, but it is walnut, and it's not going to get any nicer with age because it's got too many limbs. So the base log would be the only one getting nicer, and that's going to take another 15-20 years just to get one more log that's decent quality. And it's not going to be a number 1 because it's got 2 small limbs here and an old limb here, so it doesn't really need to stay in the woods any longer. So we're going to fell this one yet.